The Nestlé Professional Toque has once again been searching for the UK's very best hospitality students and apprentices. For over 30 years, Toque competitors have taken on challenges and the full learning experience from some of the UK's very best experts in unique locations around the UK.
Providing young people with such great opportunities and experiences.
Getting to grips of what the real world of hospitality has to offer.
There's honestly no other competitions which I've done which try to improve you as an individual.
And facing the ultimate challenge of working together as a team and delivering the very best fine dining event to Nestlé Professional's VIP guests.
Absolutely stunning. This is quality restaurant food that you would pay a lot of money for.
It gives me the confidence, to go back in the kitchen and think, I am worth what I'm doing.
This is the competition that discovers some of the very best hospitality talent in the UK, but only the strongest can become the winners of the Nestlé Professional Toque. And it's only the winners who experience prizes beyond their wildest dreams.
I never thought for a million years when I entered Toque that I would be here in San Sebastian.
Feast your eyes on what the future of hospitality has to offer. Welcome to Toque. Following their initial competition entry, this year's competitors' hands-on journey began at the Toque Heats at Nestlé's head office in Gatwick. The back-of-house students and apprentices had to create a vegetarian or vegan main course with sustainability and a balanced diet in mind. Front-of-house competitors had to serve the dishes being created by the chefs to specially invited guests, and one happens to be the CEO of Nestlé UK and Ireland. No pressure there then. They also had to face the challenge of creating their very own delicious coffee-based mocktail. And after 4 days of intensive heats, the Toque judges were able to select the finalists for the 2022 competition. The grand finals began by helping the finalists understand the importance of sustainable farming.
Sustainability has always been important to Nestlé because one of the things that we've talked about for many years is this concept of creating shared value. And that basically, in essence, it means that we're here to create value for our shareholders. We're a company at the end of the day, but at the same time, we can create value for society.
And the competitors soon found themselves on the road, visiting farms and a vineyard to help them truly appreciate how these businesses can make a real difference.
I think for these guys to come out and see and learn about soil health and then the quality of the food that flows from that is really important, and it should be for their careers to go forward.
So one thing I think I would love to see the competitors taking away from this visit is to have inspiration, having been walking through an English vineyard and seeing what we can do here and going away with a passion for wine and how it's made and being able to share that further.
It also meant they could get up close to products and ingredients that they would be using for their fine dining event they would be creating for Nestlé Professional.
Part of the dining experience is going to be saying to people what it is, where it came from, how it was produced, because I think that whole thing, it inspires us just to slow down the speed at which we eat, to think about what we're eating. They're going to have some great knowledge and they're going to impart it on their fine dining challenge.
And with their newfound knowledge and products, the finalists headed to St Mary's in Marylebone and began to bring every element together for their event.
We're going to integrate all the experience we have on the past days and put it in practice today.
We're plating up in front of the customers, so a bit nerve-wracking, but I'm sure we're all ready to go.
So it was all hands on deck. And no sooner said than done, the VIP guests arrived and everyone needed to step into gear.
I've been fortunate to be on a table with some of the farmers that the students and apprentices have been visiting, and to see the journey that the food's made and that they've made in learning about everything has been fantastic.
It's gone above and beyond what I ever thought. I've had incredible opportunities, visited incredible places, so I feel very lucky.
After a hectic week, all that remained was for the finalists to head to Soho House and discover who this year's winners were.
The Nestlé Professional Toque winner is Samantha Collins from Loughborough College, James Shuttleworth
Sarah Humphrey, City of Glasgow College.
People I talk to still believe Toque d'Or is one of the most relevant and important competitions in the industry.
Supporting this competition is so important for us, giving students and apprentices a real opportunity to learn, to be mentored, to learn about sustainability, have a fantastic experience and really develop their career.
And for our winners, it didn't end there, as they headed off on a trip of a lifetime to Dubai and Abu Dhabi.
It's been just incredible, really, and just overwhelmed.
This competition is a great platform to promote hospitality as a great career choice, but at the same time showcase our young students, our apprentices, our talent for the future.